Alright, so this is a quick video on how to change the key fob battery in a Scion. This is the XB. This was the first generation from 2004, 2006. Such an awesome little car. Okay, so the battery type that this takes is a small CR 2016. So if you're just looking for the battery type, that's it. And the key to changing this battery is there's a little notch on the top of the fob here, and you want to get like a small screwdriver or a flathead here, and you just want to kind of pry this backing apart in this notch here, and just keep working it, and you'll eventually be able to get underneath a little bit and get some leverage. It can be a little tricky. We just kind of keep working this notch. See right there? Focus a little bit here. Okay, so that's the notch there. Eventually you'll get this to kind of crack here, and then you can pry apart. If you want to keep moving along the edges here, you can. Once you get underneath, just keep kind of working the edges here. It can be a little tight, especially the first time you're doing this. And then once you've got underneath there, this will pop right off, and the key will the fob will just split into two here. And then you can see you can get access to the battery. So again, this battery is a CR 2016. And again, the key to this is this little notch right here that you need to pry into. And then to pop this out, just take a small little flathead and pop that guy out. This little notch right here is a pretty good spot. I might have to get my smaller little one here. Whoop, there it goes. So get a new 2016, the positive side up here, negative side down, and it kind of fits right back into the slot here. And make sure it pops in all the way. There's kind of these two brass looking tongs right there. Make sure it gets back in there, and then you can pop the case back together, and that's it. Again, that notch right there is where you're going to want to apply the leverage, and that's how you change the 2016 battery on a Scion Xb.